flag yacht called Louis. ती Seychelles'an Abu Dhabi एक बॅकर म्हणून एक मनशान घेतले चार्टराचेर. ती अबाउट 3 ऑगस्टाचेर ऑफ कावरती येयल्लो. He didn't take the direct route which is would be about 2200 nautical miles to Abu Dhabi from Seychelles. He took a route via Kavarati because he wanted to be away from the pirates. And off Kavarati they had complete total engine failure and they tried to come closer to Kavarati. And Kavarati anchor केल्ले. There are winds up to about 40 to 60 knots. That's almost about 100 kilometers per hour. Heavy swell आशिल्ल्यान these two people feared for their life. And that is when Coast Guard ship Samarth Goichan आमी धाडलेले थंय पेट्रोलिंगाक. We diverted that ship there and they finally with great difficulties tried to rescue these two people. And on the next, after 4-5 hours when they were trying to salvage this vessel and bring in, this being a very small 38 feet catamaran type recreational use karpache yacht, and they didn't have strong points for towing, and finally because of heavy swell and wind speed of 100 kilometers the water came in and gradually the yacht sunk there. We have brought them because Kavarati cannot take a ship of the size of Samarth entering there. That's why I brought them here. And they will be handed over to immigration officials who will check their credentials and clear their immigration. Thereafter, they are going back to their port. That's the country that's south of them.
Soon after taking them on board, our medical officer has checked their medical condition, and they were found to be hale and hearty. Of course, the fatigue was there, but they are hale and hearty, and they were given food, and their condition was ascertained to be stable. The wind and tide was very high, and that's why the rescue operation and the boat also did not have any strong points wherein we could take them under tow. So, of course, operation was tough, but then we rescued them. Our priority was to rescue them, and we were successful in rescuing them.
On my side, I'd just like to thank the Indian Coast Guard. I do honestly believe from the bottom of my heart that they tried everything in their power to come and save us, numerous times at night as well as numerous times in the morning. I can't thank them enough. I've never been so excited and so happy to see a vessel to come and save our lives. It was a matter of life and death, and Indian Coast Guard didn't go out of their way and honestly tried again, and eventually they managed to rescue us. It was a matter of life and death. They got us safely on board their vessel. I'd just like to thank them for their seamanship, for their manners, for their caringness, everything since we've been on board. The food, the hospitality, seamanship, it doesn't matter where you come from, what color you are. It's once you're on the ocean, you're brothers in arms.